My great grandma Daisy, she was the real MVP, let me tell you. Back in the day when I was a kid, um, 5 to what, maybe 13, 12 or so, my mom would take me and my brother over to our house. She would babysit us and what have you, and she was the best grandma ever, ever. She always had a meal on the stove. It was always some collard greens. Always had some collard greens, fat back, some grits, and just some good, good old home cooking. Her house always smelled like food was cooking. If it wasn't on the stove, she had cooked it already, or it was something left over from Sunday dinner or something like that. But she was the best. One of the memories that stands out about her was she had a little balcony. She lived in the senior citizen building, and so she was always sitting outside on that balcony. If it was raining, she would be inside, but if it was bad weather, she would be inside. But other than that, she would be sitting on her balcony. And if she wasn't by herself, she was with one of her friends, and they was always sitting outside on that balcony. And it wasn't that much going on around there. A few trees, parking lot you could see, I think, if I remember correctly. But the sky, there was a clear, like you could see the sky real clear, was open, but it was peaceful. It was peaceful. That's the main thing I remember about that. And I would always be like, why are they always out on the balcony? Like, what's so fantastic about being out there on the balcony? You can't go out there and play. Like thinking as a kid, ain't no swings out there or nothing like that. What is there to do outside on that balcony? And so the peacefulness stuck in my head, and now I'm sitting here as an adult. I'm almost 50 on my balcony, and now I know why she sat outside on that balcony so much. Because you can hear God on that balcony. You can hear the trees talk. If you just sit still, you can hear the trees, the birds. You can hear the sky. You just sit and listen and you can hear God. Just be still, just for a few minutes. That's all you need. What a wonderful, wonderful feeling it is. If you don't have a balcony, it's all good. Go sit on your front porch. Go to the park. Go sit on the bench. Sit in your car at the park. It don't matter. Just go sit in silence and just be and enjoy. Enjoy nature. Enjoy the fresh air. Enjoy the trees. Enjoy the sky. Enjoy the birds. And just be. So, I'm going to continue my few minutes out here on my balcony while I'm cooking dinner. I hope you enjoy your evening. And so, if you have not already, go grab your copy of your free self love journal starter kit. The link is in my bio. I think you will enjoy it. I'll talk to y'all soon. Love y'all. Mwah.